Universal Tech.
Energy source. If you put a load of 500 watts on a 12-volt and 100 amp lead-acid battery, its running time will be 1 hour 24 minutes and its efficiency will be 59%.
24-volt battery efficiency.
If you put a load of 500 watts on a 24-volt and 100 amp lead-acid battery, its running time will be 3 hours 21 minutes and its efficiency will be 70%.
48-volt battery efficiency.
If you put a load of 500 watts on a 48-volt and 100 ampere lead-acid battery, its running time will be 7 hours and 59 minutes and its efficiency will be 83%.
Lead-acid batteries have a lifespan of 2 to 5 years. The lifespan of any battery depends on the performance of its materials.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share video.